Amid growing controversy, senior BJP leader L.K. Advani is all set to begin his 38-day-long yatra. The yatra coming even as Advani for PM debate has once again taken a centre stage. The yatra against black money and corruption will be flagged off by Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar.
आज से 20-25 साल पहले तक तो लगता था कि हम बहुत पीछे हैं, लेकिन इन 20-25 सालों में कुछ परिवर्तन ऐसे हुए हैं कि जिसके कारण दुनिया भर भी मानने लगी है कि भारत में बहुत बड़ी संभावना है। विदेशी देश भी मानने लगे हैं, दुनिया सारी मानने लगी है। मैं मानता हूं कि अगर हम जो राजनीति में सक्रिय हैं, देश को अच्छे शासन की और स्वच्छ राजनीति की गारंटी दे सके तो यह लक्ष्य निश्चित पूरा होगा। इसीलिए अगर कोई संकल्प की बात कहेंगे तो मेरे मन में तो संकल्प यही है कि भारत दुनिया का महानतम देश बने।
Advani's 38-day yatra has begun. It's 38 days, 46 places that the BJP senior leader will be covering. 14 flights will be taken by him, and it's 7,600 kilometers of yatra. Now joining us is Aishwarya, from where L.K. Advani has flagged off his yatra. Aishwarya, at this point of time, what is the basic agenda of the senior BJP leader? What is his plan of action for today?
Lal Krishna Advani has made it very clear on the first day that corruption and black money are going to be the main issues of this Jan Chetna Yatra. And now very significantly and very importantly in the last couple of days, he's also included the issue of price rise and mal governance. So these are those very significant issues which connect with the masses, and that is why BJP and Lal Krishna Advani has made it very clear that these are going to be the issues for this Jan Chetna Yatra at the core of the BJP. Lal Krishna Advani will rather start his Jan Chetna Yatra from Sitab Diyara, which is somewhere around 40-45 kilometers away from Chhapra on the border of UP and Bihar, birthplace of Jayaprakash Narayan, the man whom Lal Krishna Advani has looked up to throughout his political career, and he's going to start his career's most important Rath Yatra from the birthplace of Jayaprakash Narayan, that is Sitab Diyara. But he will get on to the Rath here at Chhapra, and it's only from here that he will move towards Patna, and rather alongside the roadside there will be around couple of roadside Nukka meetings of small gatherings which Lal Krishna Advani will address. But the major rally will be at Patna, that is somewhere around later in the evening at 3:30 or 4, which will have presence of the BJP top brass and senior JDU leaders. Coming once again to the policy or to the issues of this Jan Chetna Yatra, as I was telling you, corruption, black money, price rise, malgovernance, these are those issues which affect the life of a common man, and that is why Lal Krishna Advani is picking up very importantly those issues which make a difference in the life of a common man, because they have rather already seen that that if those very important issues are picked up, common man reacts to it at the Ramlila Maidan in Delhi in the Anna Hazare movement, and that is why very specifically BJP and Lal Krishna Advani himself is picking up those issues, and he's hoping that this just might click. And if it does, then undoubtedly Lal Krishna Advani will become the face of the BJP, which he more or less is. But then in the preview of the top man's position in 2014, because this yatra is very clearly the flag off of the BJP's anti-UPA campaign for the 2014 general elections. So Lal Krishna Advani is expected to come here from Chhapra via chopper at somewhere around 10:30-11, and then he will get onto the Rath from here, or that is Zuzu bus, and then via road he'll move towards Patna. Back to you.